Hi, today we're gonna try all the food here at the Nuremberg Christmas market. Of course, we will try mulled wine or gluhwein, which is a bit specific here in Nuremberg, and you will see later why. We will try sausages, which also have their own story, and I already can smell so much more delicious food out there. We won't just stop with gluhwein and sausages, and let's go. Nuremberg sausages are 3 sausages usually served in a bun, and by German standards they are pretty small because usually you have these large sausages here. I would say they're pretty normal, and usually they are topped with mustard. So let's try. Oh yeah, and the story why they're so small. They say that there was a townsman who was in debt and was locked in a tower, but he loved these sausages so much that his friends made them tiny so that they could fit into the keyhole, and this man could continue to eat them. So let's try if it's really that good.
Let's move a little bit over there, maybe on the other side.
This is really good, but I need to fix this. These sausages are a bit burned out, but still, when you are outside and it's cold, it feels so good. You see, there are so many people here that you don't even have a special place to eat, but it's okay. Everyone wants a Christmas mood. We're moving through the crowd, trying to get our gluhwein, but you can see what is happening here. So we actually found our gluhwein. You get these beautiful cups with a deposit of 4 or 5 euros. And then let's try. Like, the special thing about this Nuremberg gluhwein is its flavor. Usually you got red wine or white wine for gluhwein, but here the flavor is blueberry. Yeah, it might sound strange, but believe me, it's delicious. Yeah, that feels good. Goes so smoothly, and the best thing when you're outside to get you warm. The thing is that I don't taste like blueberry here. For me, it's like usual gluhwein, but my wife says it's wrong. It's better than wine and then usual gluhwein. So maybe it's just for me, but it's tasty. So this is one more snack you can find at Nuremberg Christmas market. Caramelized warm nuts. So crunchy and tasty. Absolutely love that. This is another dish at Christmas market. Kartoffelpuffer, I guess it's called so. And you can buy this portion for 6 euros with applesauce. So we'll try it right now. Yeah, it's good. Crunchy outside, soft inside. And applesauce makes it sweety. So yeah, I like this one. So this is actually like hash brown. It's almost the same. But here at Christmas market it's always better. So this is the donut with powdered sugar. Okay, so I already tried one bite. And it's so hot and sweety and with oil, like the best in the world. Yeah. This can be like the good option, like really good option for your breakfast at Christmas market. It costs just €3, and I think for this price, it's probably in my top list of the best, how to say, the snacks, dishes at Christmas market. I will definitely get one more later. I like this one so much. We're going to try the famous lebkuchen or gingerbread. I can already smell some spices in it. Let's try this one. It has something like. First I thought it's paper downside, but no, it's sugar, I guess. Okay, let's try. It's sweet. I can taste some spices in it. Not very dry, so it's very, very soft. But I prefer like usual gingerbread more probably. It's not really spicy. It's more like a cookie, just an ordinary cookie with sweet flavor. Yeah, I would prefer having it more spicy. But it's also good, and it costs €3 per piece. And it goes with blueberry gluhwein. With hot gluhwein, it's really good. The next one is brot. I'm not sure how to translate that. Google Translate says it's early bread. Yeah, this one is really unusual. It's not like bread. It has nuts, dried fruits in it, and also figs. So the taste is really, really mixed. It's more like cake. So regarding this, how is it called? Dumpling. So basically it's dumpling in vanilla sauce with cherry. And it's really just a piece of bread with cherry in the sauce. Not the best thing I've tried here, but still, it's okay. It's also served warm. Really soft, and when you pour it with the sauce, it became wet inside, and with cherry it tastes really good. The last one for today. This is called Eggnog, and honestly I've never tried this before. It's some kind of alcoholic beverage with eggs and milk. So let's try. Oh. No, it's too strong. It's too strong for me. So it's probably with some kind of rum or liquor. I'm not sure, but I don't know. Like I wouldn't be able to drink the whole cup. So I would recommend that only if you like some strong beverages, and at the end of the day probably, because it's not tasty. So I'm not enjoying it. I will try once more, but no, I will not drink that. Okay, that was the last probably drink for this Christmas market. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That was our experience of Nuremberg Christmas market. And if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, and see you soon.